What's up guys, I'm from BSc Tech. In today's video I'm going to show you 9 professional tips in order to fix when Wi-Fi is connecting on your Mac and it's not working. There could be several reasons, starting from routers up to the DHCP lease. So let's jump into the video and have a look on these professional tips, and I'm sure one of this will definitely fix your Wi-Fi connection problem. If you like this video, just hit the subscribe button, and also if you have any questions or feedback, do let us know in the comment section below, and take care.
Why is your MacBook not connecting to Wi-Fi? There are multiple reasons why your MacBook is not connecting to Wi-Fi, including router issues, problems with your internet provider, issues with your MacBook software. Whatever the reason for your connection issue, we'll help you solve it with our tips below. MacBook won't connect to Wi-Fi. 9 troubleshooting tips as followed. These tips will definitely sort your Wi-Fi problems. Tip number 1. Restart your Mac and router. This rather obvious tip needs to be number 1 on the list. As we all know, a quick restart can solve many Mac issues, including Wi-Fi connectivity. So before we go any further, give your Mac and your wireless router a quick restart. 2. Check your Wi-Fi network. Try and connect to a different network. If you can, then it's likely an issue with your personal internet provider, for example, a service outage in your local area, a potential problem with your account, like suspension. Select the Apple menu, then System Preferences, then select Network. Select Wi-Fi from the sidebar, then press Advanced, bottom right. Find your Wi-Fi network from the list, then remove it by pressing the button, then press OK, and remove. Now reconnect to your network and test. If you can't connect to other networks, then jump to the next step. 3. Forget your Wi-Fi network. Sometimes, simply forgetting the network and rejoining can solve connection issues. Make sure you know the network password before doing this step. 4. Check your Mac for updates. 5. Disconnect your USB accessories. It sounds like another obvious one, but try unplugging all of your USB accessories and devices from your Mac, including mouse, keyboard, hard drive, earphones, printer. USB devices have been known to interfere with Wi-Fi or internet connection. Once you've unplugged everything from your MacBook, give your Mac a quick restart and try connecting to the internet again. If it works, then you know that one of your devices is causing the issue. You can troubleshoot this by adding them back one by one to try and identify the culprit. 6. Run Apple Wireless Diagnostics. You can run Apple's built-in wireless diagnostics tool to examine and investigate your Wi-Fi connection, wireless environment, and configuration. Here is how. Press and hold down the Option key. Now select the Wi-Fi icon, top left from the menu bar. Click Open Wireless Diagnostics. Press Continue, entering your admin password when asked. Once complete, press Monitor My Wi-Fi Connection and press Continue. This can take several minutes. Once the diagnostics is complete, follow the on-screen instructions. This won't fix the connection problem entirely, but it can help identify the root issue. 7. Run maintenance tasks. Every Mac owner knows that running regular maintenance keeps your Mac not only optimized but relatively trouble-free. Running maintenance tasks daily, weekly, and monthly clears out various temporary files, rotates system logs, and improves overall Mac performance. 8. Renew your DHCP lease. The DHCP Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol permits your network devices, like your router, iPhone, or MacBook, to talk to one another. Often DHCP lease can become compromised and can cause issues. This is how to renew. Select the Apple menu greater than System Preferences greater than Network. Select Wi-Fi in the sidebar and press Advanced. Press the TCP/IP tab at the top, and press Renew DHCP lease. 9. Check your date and time settings. This might sound like a strange suggestion, but if you've recently been in a different time zone or country and you now have the incorrect date, time, or location, this can cause issues for your Mac, so it's worth a check. Here's how. If you like this video, why not hit subscribe and share this video for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching.